And the larks sweetly sing o'er the green fertile plains. I'll choose the road that is dearest to me. The road from the heaven that winds to the sea. For I've made many friends there on every green mile, and the folks always greet me with a wave and a smile. If I spent all my days there, it's happy I'd be on that road to Drumlevin that winds to the sea. For we sat round the fireside when the winter wanes, and we laughed and we sang until the night was well through. Then we had a wee dram or a good cup of tea. For that road to Drumlevin winds to the sea. For those long summer days when we tramped the hills and spent hours at the Aeons or Gregan's wild shore. And the long summer nights made the shadows to flee on that road to Drumlevin that winds to the sea. Oh, these days passing quickly bring changes I know, and the time marches on from this place I'm born.